Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam question number 4 in Alternative Energy Demystified, 2nd edition. If you have the printed book, please see page 310. How many degrees Celsius is there between the freezing and the boiling points of water? That's what this question is asking us. Now we're assuming that we're at sea level on the Earth's surface. So the atmospheric pressure is what it would normally be at sea level on the Earth's surface. If you go to the top of a mountain, say in the Bighorn Mountains of Wyoming, where I was recently, at 9,000 feet altitude, then you will find that water boils at a lower temperature than it does at sea level. So we're going to talk about sea level conditions. 0 degrees Celsius is the freezing point of pure water, and plus 100 Celsius is the boiling point. So the difference in degrees Celsius is 100 degrees. That is choice C. Choice C, as in degrees C. Now here what I have drawn is a nomograph which shows how you can compare the Celsius and Fahrenheit readings. The Fahrenheit freezing point of water is plus 32, and the Fahrenheit boiling point is plus 212. So the difference in Fahrenheit degrees is 180. If you pick choice D, then you would have been right if this question would have been asking about Fahrenheit degrees, but it's asking about Celsius degrees. None of the other choices correspond to any temperature scales that I know of. If we were talking about kelvins, again we would see a difference of 100 degrees. We don't talk about degrees in Kelvin, we talk just about Kelvin. But the difference would be 100 units in the Kelvin scale, or in the Rankine scale, which is like the Fahrenheit scale, except 0 corresponds to absolute 0. Again, the difference would be 180 degrees, although the readings would be much higher. But the correct choice in this case is really a very simple question, because the freezing point is 0, the boiling point is plus 100, so clearly the difference is 100 degrees Celsius. Once again, that is choice C.